So let me ask you a question. What if you could get paid daily from just listening to popular music? Now of course you can do this on your phone, you can do this on your computer. Now the earning potential of this opportunity is incredible, but I want to recommend you to watch this video all the way until the end so you can follow my exact steps. So you might be wondering, why should I watch this video? Now first of all, you don't need any followers to do this. You don't need any Spotify account, and then you don't need any special skills to do this as well, and you don't need any payment because this is absolutely free. You don't have to pay for any money to do this, and the good news is that this is available worldwide. It doesn't matter where you're coming from, you are still able to make money online. So real quick, let us take a look on how much money you can potentially make from this method. Now first of all, when you listen to one music a day, you can earn $4 from one music. When you listen to 10 musics, you can earn up to $40, and when you listen to 30 musics, you can earn up to $120, and you can do this over and over again. So at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a few bonus tips that can help you to make more money online. So make sure you keep watching all the way until the end and don't miss out on any of the important steps. Now make sure you subscribe to my channel. Go on and click on the subscribe button right now, and also don't forget to turn on all the notification bells so that you don't miss out on anything when I release my brand new videos that can help you make more money online. Now first of all, I want you to go to this website, talent.vlocalize.com. Okay, this is going to be the website that I will show you on how to get paid by just listening to your favorite music. And right here, you're going to help them to transcribe the lyrics of your favorite music, and you can get paid on per song basis. And in a moment, I'll show you how we can make money online from these popular musics. For example, The Perfect from Ed Sheeran. You can listen to this music and transcribe and earn up to $4 per song, and you can do this over and over again. I know what you're thinking, right? How can I transcribe music? Don't worry, because at the end of this video, I will show you a few bonus ways that you can do this on a complete automation, because you don't have to do the work yourself, and I will show you exactly how to do this. So this is step number one, right? When you go onto this website, they'll show you a tutorial video, so you can watch this video and then you can register on this website for absolutely free, and then you can transcribe different songs, different popular music, and transcribe them into lyrics, and you're going to get paid up to $4 per song. And also don't forget, at the end of this video I will show exactly how to do this, and you can do this for hundreds and hundreds of musics, and you're going to be able to make a lot of money if you follow me until the end. So right here, once you sign up for a free account, you go on to step number 2. As you can see here right now, you can receive an invitation to transcribe and download the application. Now make sure once you sign up, you're going to go and check your email inbox, because they're going to be sending you all the invitations to your email. In just a moment, I will show you exactly how to sign up. All the sign up process is very important process. Make sure you don't miss out on any of them. Once you finish setting up your account, on step number 3, you can actually transcribe, and you'll be getting paid per music, per song, and that you listen to. So right here you can see a registration to transcribe music lyrics for $4 per song. Now this is crazy, because at the end of this video I'll show you all the automations that you can do. But first off, you're going to have to set up your free account. Now before we go and set up this account, you're going to need a few things. Number 1, you need a Gmail account, and number 2, you will need an Apple ID. So right now I will show you exactly how to get them, so you can actually sign up for a free account. So first off, I want you to go to accounts.google.com. So right here you're going to create a free Google account so that you can get a new Gmail. So right here where you're going to put in your first name, your last name, and right here you can create your free Gmail account, because you need this account in order to sign up. As you can see here, they are only accepting Gmail only, no other email providers. Now if you are using Hotmail, Outlook, or AOL, or any other email providers, you will need a free Gmail account in order to sign up. So once you put in your email address, just go and click on the next button, then verify your identity or verify your phone number. So right here you can create a free Gmail account. It's very simple. It's absolutely free. Now once you sign up for a Gmail account, you can finish this process where you just enter your Gmail. So right here you're going to notice your Apple ID or iCloud account. So right now here, very important, so I want you to go to iCloud.com. so right here you can sign in into your iCloud account, and right here at the bottom of this website you're going to see here very little, but you can see here create Apple ID right over the bottom. Click on this link right here. It will open up a new tab. As you can see right here, you can create your Apple ID. So one Apple ID is all you need to access all Apple services. So right here you're going to put in your first name, your last name, and you can see right here for the country they're basically accepting people from worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you're coming from. You can still create free iCloud account and Apple ID. So right here just put in your date of birth, your name, your password, and also your security question. Now choose whatever question that you want, but make sure you remember the answers that you put in. You can write it down on a paper or on the computer and make sure you remember the answers. So once you put in all the details, you just go and click on this continue button, and this is where you get an Apple ID. Right here you can see a new Apple ID or an iCloud account to sign up. So very important, make sure you don't miss any steps. Now once you get a Gmail ID and an Apple ID, you can continue to the sign up process. So right here for a computer operating system, you're going to be selecting Apple or Windows, it doesn't matter, just pick one of them. And so on the country section, right here when you click on this select country, you want to choose where you're from. And so it doesn't matter where you're coming from, USA, Australia, Canada, Philippines, Nigeria, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, all of them. You're able to get accepted on this new opportunity. So do you speak English at a native like level? So right here I would encourage you to choose yes, because I've seen a lot of applications when they choose no, they are going to get rejected. So make sure you choose on yes. And now once you've finished all the steps, you just go and put in your first name, your last name, and just click on register for Snap. Now very important for you to follow exactly what I show you in this video. So you can see here what happens after I register. You're going to receive an email from our staff with information on how to download the transcription app and how you're going to get paid and all the additional training instruction. The reason why I like this company, because they are very professional and they're going to give you some training, some applications on how to download and also how to make money. So right here I'm going to show you how you can actually transcribe some popular music or some music videos. So let's say for example, when you come on to YouTube videos, you're going to find a lot of popular music. For example, this one, The Perfect Ed Sheeran. Now the cool thing about YouTube is that they actually give you auto transcription. Now you cannot see this on other people's video, but say for example if you're uploading your own videos, now once you receive your music video, you can actually upload them to YouTube again. This is absolutely free. So once you upload your music videos, when you go on to below the video right here, when you click on this three little dots right here, when you click on this, you'll see open transcript, where when I click on this button right here, so you can see right here when I click on the button and when I click on open transcript, it's going to pop up a new box. As you can see here, this is the transcription that's automatically generated by YouTube themselves. Now this is very powerful because that's going to save you a lot of time on all the transcription of the music videos. So as you can see here, so in this quick video show you step by step exactly how to earn big money online. This is exactly what I talk about in my video, and it shows word by word all the transcriptions. So right now what you're going to do next is you're going to highlight everything. Now let me do it live for you now. When I highlight everything, scroll down below real quick. I want to show you how to do this. So right here when I want to highlight everything on the transcription of the entire music or the entire music video, now once you highlight everything down below, we are going to go and right click and just click on copy. Click on copy, copy everything. Right now you are going to go back to Google Documents. Make sure you go to a blank page. You can do this on your Microsoft Office or Notepad as well. So right now you're going to paste everything in this Google document, As you can see here, all the transcription with the timestamp, right? Very powerful. You can see on the 4 second, on the 9 second, this is exactly what I talked about. Now this is very powerful, but sometimes for due to auto transcription, you might see some spelling mistakes, some grammar mistakes, so you have to correct them. And the reason why I let you use this service from YouTube is because they save a bunch of time. So if you are not good at English, or if you don't have a lot of time, this is definitely very powerful strategy that you can take advantage of. Now when you paste onto Google Documents, one extra benefit is that you actually see some spelling mistakes, because when you have spelling mistakes, they're going to underline them in red color, and you could just right click them and automatically change the right spelling and the right grammar. So a very powerful tool when combined with YouTube auto transcription and using the Google Document. Now you can submit this and just earn $4 by just transcribing music videos. Right here, a bunch of music videos that you can transcribe every single day. So right now I want to show you another alternative method. If you don't like this method, which I showed you just now on YouTube and on Google Doc, if you don't like to do this, I'll show you the second way by using otranscribe.com. Now when you go onto this website, you can actually get a free web application, and this is a very powerful tool that's absolutely free. You can just go and click on this blue button and start transcribing, and then right here you can actually upload a YouTube video. So upload an audio music file, and then they are going to automatically transcribe everything for you. And again, this is going to save you a lot of time, but you still have to do the work. You still have to check some spellings and grammar mistakes. So these two right here are going to save you a lot of time. So that is going to make you a lot more money. You can do more and listen to more music, transcribe more music without any experience, without any tech skills. And of course, this is all free method where you can do this for free, and you can use this method for free as well as use the YouTube method and the Google Doc method. So this is how you can transcribe music and make $4 per song, and you can repeat this over and over again. But make sure you follow exactly on how to sign up so you can create a free account. And before you leave this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Click on the subscribe button, and also you can check out the two videos that you can see here on the screen. Click on one of them and go and watch on the next video tutorial, and I promise you, you can learn so much and start making a lot of money online.